Can you believe it's time to get ready for the new school year? I wonder what my students are going to be like.
Did you know that you can use A4E right now to start learning about your students? A4E is a resource with data from many systems. It's built by HISD especially for HISD teachers.
That sounds great. That would be so helpful.
Come on, I'll show you how to log in and look at your A4E teacher dashboard. A4E is a great place to learn more about your students. One of the easiest ways to get to your A4E teacher dashboard is through the My HISD employee portal. You only need to log in once, and then you can get right into A4E. When you go to your A4E teacher dashboard, you'll see navigation links on the left side in the Quick Links area. A good place to start is to review your student's grade history, which you access for each student individually on their student profile. You can get to the student profile from any report on the teacher dashboard that includes the student ID. But an easy way to find a student is to use the teacher dashboard's All My Students report.
Does it matter what section the students are in?
No, you'll see the list of all your students in the report regardless of what section they are in. But if you want to see the students in a particular section, you can choose one from the section drop-down. You can also search for a student by their name, student ID, or login ID. Then just hit the search button. Now that you've got a list of students, you can go to the grade history for each one using their student profile. Just click on any student's ID number in the All My Students list. Then select the Grade History quick link. You'll see cycle and semester grades for each class they're taking or have completed while enrolled in HISD.
Wow, this is really helpful to see all the students' grades. I can see how a student has done in classes related to the ones I teach, as well as how they're doing overall.
You've got it! You'll be able to see the grades your students have earned in the past.
Thanks for the help, Coach. My A4E teacher dashboard will really help me get to know my students at the beginning of the school year, and it'll help me track their progress throughout the year.